Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will study the types of software, software licensing, and different types of software licensing. Computer software. Computer software, or it is just called as software, is a collection of computer programs and related data that provides the instruction for telling a computer what to do and how to do it. In other words, you can say any set of instructions that guides the hardware and tells it how to accomplish each task. That is known as basically computer software. Types of softwares. Software can be divided into three types. First one is system software. It is most related with the hardware. Programming software that are used to write the computer programs. Application softwares that are specific softwares for end users. System software. System software is computer software designed to operate the computer hardware to provide basic functionality and to provide a platform for running application software. Basically, system software work as an interface between the hardware and the end users. For example, BIOS, basic input output system, gets the computer system started after you turn it on and manages the data flow between the operating system and attached devices such as hard disk, video adapter, keyboard, mouse and pen drive. The boot program loads the operating system into the computer's main memory. System software also includes utility software. Basically, these utility softwares are also known as system utilities, such as disk defragmenter and system restore. You can see here disk defragmenter, this one. GUI of disk defragmenter is like this. When you see in the Windows operating system, disk cleanup like this and disk management like this. Important features of system software. Closeness to the system. Basically, system softwares are machine dependent softwares. That's why they are more closely related with the hardware. Closeness to the system, fast speed, difficult to manipulate. It is difficult to manipulate the system softwares because these softwares are written in the low level languages and it is a tough task for the programmer to read the low level language program. Written in low level language, difficult to design. Programming software. Programming software include tools in the form of programs or applications that software developers use to create, debug, maintain or otherwise support other programs and applications. The term programming software usually refers to the relatively simple programs such as compilers, debuggers, interpreters, linkers, etc. You know that when you are using the C programming language, in that case you are using compiler, assembler when you are compiling your program, linker, loader. For example, here in this case C, compiler, C++ compiler, Java compiler, Python, PHP, Visual Basic, etc. Application software. A program or group of programs designed for end users. Allow end users to accomplish one or more specific tasks, and these tasks are not related with the computer hardware. Examples of application software. Word processor, you know that Microsoft Word. There are others also. Word Pro, Apple Works for Apple. It is given by Apple. Spreadsheets, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Apple Numbers, Apache OpenOffice Calc. Presentation software, Microsoft PowerPoint, Adobe Persuasion, HyperCard, OpenOffice Impress, Scala Multimedia. Database management system, Microsoft Access, MySQL, Oracle Database, or you can say MySQL. Desktop publishers, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express, MS Publisher. Basically these are used to produce high quality printed documents such as magazine, greeting, card, posters, etc. Graphic editor, you know that Adobe Photoshop, iPhoto, GIMP. Graphic software or image editing software is a program or collection of programs that enable a person to manipulate visual images on a computer. Web browser like Internet Explorer, this is Explorer here. Sorry, this is Explorer, not Explorer. Mozilla Firefox, Opera. These are the basically application softwares. Software licensing. Software licensing basically is a legal instrument or by way of contract law governing the usage or redistribution of software. It allows an individual or group to use a piece of software. As you know that nearly all applications are licensed. But you know that there are various types of license. We will study in the next slide. Some are based, basically these licenses are based on the number of machines. Some licenses are based on number of machines. That means what if I have taken the license for a software X? The license is based on number of machine in which I can use that software X, or on which the licensed program can run, whereas others are based on the number of users. That means licensing basically based on the number of machines or number of users. Types of software licensing. First one is registerware. Basically in this licensing you have to register when you are using that software. Then only you can download or use the program. Shareware or demoware. It refers to the copyrighted commercial softwares that is distributed without payment on a trial basis and is limited by any combination of functionality, availability and convenience. Freeware. Computer software basically under the freeware licensing are the software that are used without any cost or for an optional fee. Then the difference between freeware and shareware is what? Freeware is different from shareware, where the user is obliged to pay. Open source software. It is also free software. Open source software is also a free software. Then open source software can be defined as computer software for which the human readable source code is made available under a copyright license that meets the open source definition. And in open source software, basically, the users are permitted to use, change, and improve the software and to redistribute it in modified or unmodified form. That's why it is known as open source software license. Abandonware. It refers to the software that is no longer available for purchase or that is at least a certain amount of years old. That is known as abandonware licensing. Now, license key. When we are taking the license, basically in that case we are provided with a key. That is known as license key. A software license key is a pattern of numbers and or letters provided to licensed users of a software program or of a software. License keys are typically created and delivered via a license generator once a software user has paid for the software and has agreed to the conditions of use and distribution as legally specified in the software license. Thank you. Thank you.